As a customer, SaniServ machines are the easiest units in the industry to clean, assemble, and sanitize. There are two main reasons why this is. The first is we have the fewest components in the industry to handle and deal with. The second reason is all of our components are designed in a way that they cannot be assembled incorrectly. You cannot put this together backwards. Now I'm going to take some time here and show you how easy this is to put together. So, beginning with, I'm going to take my rear seal here, and I'm just going to place it around this groove, just like that. At this point, I will take some SaniLube food approved gel, and I will lubricate the back of the seal. And you are going to put 3 pencil eraser size points on there, just like that. And then we're going to slide our seal with the plastic piece facing the end of the dasher. At that point, we will attach our scraper blades, and they will go facing up just like this. You're going to grab the blade here and press until it clicks into place just like that. And then I'm going to do the same thing here. Now the blades do not matter which way they go on, they are universal. So we're just going to take them. You do want to press here. Be aware they are sharp around here where they scrape the side of the barrel. Okay, just like that. At that point, you will be using your stator rod. You would do another pencil size eraser at the back, behind the head, and then one here at the end where it comes in contact with the dasher while it operates. At that point, we will just slide the stator rod back in here. And place it inside that hole. At that point, we are ready to insert the unit into the machine. You just take it, slide it back in there, and then twist until you feel it. Engage the drive system. When I engage the drive system, this should no longer want to turn in place. Okay. Now that we have both dashers in, it's time to assemble our face plates. So we're going to start with our plunger. And we are going to take the O-ring and just kind of wrap it around this first groove so that's inside like that. Then we're going to take our second one. They are the same size O-rings, there's no difference. The groove in the front is just slightly deeper, so you can take it and slide it over that first O-ring and then slide it back into that second groove, just like that. Okay, you do want to lubricate these, so again, just a pencil eraser size gel there and there, and then you want to take your finger or some type of maybe clean brush and just go around like that, and we're going to go around like that. And any excess you may have, you just kind of want to push in the center there so that you have a good lubrication on your plunger, allowed to move up and down. At that point, we will take this and you're just going to insert and twist and just slide it all down until you line up with your access hole there. At that point, I will take my handle with the flat sides and the hole and line up with the holes on the side of my faceplate and take a fastener pin and just insert like that, and then that is what holds it into place. Then I will take the rear O-ring and slide it into this groove behind the faceplate, just like that. We do not lubricate this rear O-ring. If you lubricate it, it can allow your mix to leak out the back behind this faceplate. At that point, we will grab 2 knobs, and we will place the faceplate inside the barrel chamber there. Once you get it into place, you're just gonna start one knob on one side, and you kind of want to tighten these simultaneously. You do not want to do one side all the way down and then do the other side. So just kind of get them both started and just twist simultaneously until you get a good tight seal, just like that. And then we're going to repeat with the other side. Once we're done with the dasher assemblies, we are ready to assemble our carburetor tubes. It's just quite a simple process. You take the O-ring and just slide it into the groove there. At this point, you don't want to install these just yet, but you do want to lay them inside here so that when we dump sanitizer in, we can have them sanitized as well. One of the new features in SaniServ is we no longer have a mixed pan agitator. We have designed the unit in a way where that piece is no longer necessary. One less part to clean, one less part to maintain, and one less part to wear out. So that is no longer needed inside your top.